Hello students, welcome to class 6 Maths, chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. Students, let us revise again Indian place value and international place value. In Indian place value, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. In international place value, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. So students, in international place value, we are not writing lakhs and crores. But in Indian place value, we are writing lakhs and crores. Now using this place value, Indian place value system and international place value system, let us understand how to use commas in numbers. Commas. So first of all, let us understand Indian system of numerations. Here we have taken one example, that is 6 crore 85 lakh 37,954. So how to put comma according to Indian system of numeration rule. So according to Indian system of numerations, first commas after hundreds place means first comma is marked after hundreds place, that is we will skip 3 digits and then we will mark comma. Second comma after 10,000s place means we will skip 2 digit and we will mark comma. Third comma after 10 lakh place means we will skip again 2 digit and we will mark comma. So it is 6 comma 85 comma 37 comma 954. So it is said as 6 crore 85 lakh 37,954. Now let us understand rules of international system of numerations of putting commas. First commas after hundreds place, that is we will skip 3 digits and then we will mark comma. Second comma after 100,000s place, that is again we will skip 3 digits and then we will mark comma. And now third commas for 8 digit numbers. So here we have taken example as 68,537,954. So we have skipped 3 digit and we mark comma, that is after that is we have skipped 954 and we have marked comma, then we have skipped 537 and then we have marked comma. Hence it is 68 comma 537 comma then 954, and it is named as 68,537,954. Now students, let us understand about metric units. What is metric units? The metric system is a system of measurement that uses the meter, liter and gram as a base unit of. So meter is used for length, then capacity is used for volume, and weight, that is mass, is used for the gram, and liter is used for the capacity. Now students, here and there is a metric units table. Let us understand this table. Here first of all, with the black color it is written King Hector declares unite decides chocolate milk. This is to remember how to write this table. Unite means in below the unite we will write unit. There are 3 different units, meter, gram and liter, which is common for the rest of the units. Now then after there is decide means deci. So we will write decimeter, decigram, deciliter. Then after for the chocolate, that is below chocolate, it is centi. So centimeter, centigram, centiliter. And milk means milli, millimeter, milligram, milliliter. Similarly for the king, that is kilo, kilometer, kilogram, kiloliter. Hector, that is hecto, hectometer, hectogram, hectoliter. And declares, that is deca, decameter, decagram and decaliter. Now students, how to use this metric units tables for the conversations. For example students, here I want to move from kilo to meter, means 1 kilometer is how many meter, means I will move right side. So if I move right side, then I have to multiply that many tens. So here let us take example 1 kilometer equals to how many meters. So here you can see in the below table blue color there are multiply of 10. So till meter how many tens are there? 3 times. Multiply 10, multiply 10, multiply 10. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Similarly students, if I want to find 1 centimeter equals to how many meter, that means I have to move from left to right. So I will divide by 10, and when we move from left to right we divide by 10. So centimeter, below centimeter the 10 is there, and till meter there are 2 times of the 10. So 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 10 multiply 10 meter, that is 1 upon 100. 1 centimeter equals to 1 upon 100 meter. So if we move left to right we divide by that many tens, and if we move right to left we multiply by tens. Let us understand more of this table by taking example. For example, here larger number in practice unit conversation 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Let us understand from the table. Before that there is a table where 1 centimeter is given and we have to find how many millimeter. So we will move right side. So we will multiply by 10. Hence 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Now students, we already know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, but if we want to find 1 meter equals to how many millimeter? So 1 meter to millimeter students, we will move which side? Yes, we will move right side. So here how many tens we have to multiply? We have to multiply tens 3 times. 1, 2, 3, you can see this blue color. So 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. Students, similarly 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters we already know. But if we want to find 1 kilometer equals to how many millimeter? Means students see, kilo is there till millimeter, means we are moving from right side. So we will multiply by 10, and how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 tens. So it would be 1 kilometer equals to 10 lakh millimeter. Similarly students, we know 1 gram equals to 1000 milligrams, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams, and same way if we move from kilograms to milligrams we are getting 10 lakh milligrams. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters, and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So students, write these metric units conversations tables before solving so that it would be easy for you to understand for conversations. Thank you.